These wipes have changed my life. All the facts in my head about bacteria on surfaces. It used to be hard to sleep. Having these in my handbag, in my car, in my kid's backpack, it changes everything. These wipes are thicker than any wet wipe I've bought in my life. They don't tear when I pull them from the canister, and they absorb this liquid, this disinfectant liquid, remarkably well, which is all you need from a wet wipe, really. There's almost no place you can't use them. Your car interior, your shopping baskets, countertops, trolleys, elevators, door handles, tools, public transport, handrails, furniture. Take them with you wherever you go. The amazing thing about these wipes is they come in 3 different sizes. So there's the 160 canister, which I can take with me everywhere. There's a bucket of 400 and there's a bucket of 600. I'm always covered. I encourage everyone in the world to carry at least one of these canisters with them everywhere. This is the best wet wipe I've ever used, and I recommend it above any other wet wipe.